Hey guys, so today we are going to solve this longest palindromic subsequence. So let's just read the question statement. Given a string S, find the longest palindromic subsequence length in S. And what is subsequence? A subsequence is a sequence that can be derived from another sequence by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. Okay, so in case if you don't know what is subsequence, I just try to understand you what is mean by subsequence. So let's just take this example. We have given a ABC a string. So what can be the possible subsequences? So listen, in subsequence you don't need to arrange the character in conjugative manner. You just need to arrange in the same order as they are given. Like in this case, if our string has length 3, then its total number of subsequence will be 2 raised to power 3, it means 8. Okay, if the length of the string is n, then you total have 2 raised to power n subsequences. So how you write these subsequences? So let's just take the first character and remove the other two characters. Okay, remove the other two character and we get our first subsequence. Okay, so let's just take second character and remove the first and third characters, so we get our b as a subsequence. And to get our C subsequence, we just remove our first two characters. Okay, so to get our AB as a subsequence, we remove our last character C, and to get BC, we remove our A character, and to get AC, we remove our B character. So you can see the order of characters in which they are given is maintained here. Okay, and the last subsequence will be ABC. So these are the total subsequences of ABC. Okay, so and you already know what is palindrome. So palindrome is like if you have given a string ABA, then if you reverse that string, so what will it become? It become also ABA, and these both are equal. So ABA is palindrome. Okay. So in this question, what you need to do, you need to find the number of subsequences like this string triple BAB. We need to find all the subsequences of the string, and from all the subsequences, we need to find what is the longest subsequence, which is also a palindrome, right? So let's just try to understand it better way. So we have this string, right? So what can be the subsequences of it? So it has five characters, right? So total possible subsequences is 2 raised to power 5, that is 32. Okay, so in which the longest subsequences will be, if I just remove this a character and we write our longest subsequences as 4 times b, then this subsequences is also a palindrome, right? So this will be our valid answer and its length is 4, so we just return 4 here. So in this case, our total number of subsequences will be 2 raised to power 4, right? uh, okay, so in this case our total number of subsequences is 2 raised to power 4, that is uh, 16, right? So in 16 subsequences we need to get the subsequence which is longest and also a palindrome, that will be our this BB. So this question is So, okay. So basically, this question is the application of LCS. Okay. So this question is application of LCS. Okay. So this question is based on LCS. What is LCS? LCS is longest common subsequence. Okay. So what we do in LCS, we given a two string and we find the common subsequence which is also a longest. Okay. So for better understanding, you can refer to a video. I will add a link of that video in description, and you can understand subsequence in better way. I'm not including subsequences in this video because video will become so long for that. Uh, okay, so you can use LCS for solve this problem. Okay, so. Uh, Okay, so what will be our approach to solve this problem? Let's just take a test case. We have a test case A, B, C, B, C, A, B. Okay, so this is the string. And if I say what will be the subsequences, longest subsequence in this string, which is also a palindrome. So it will be B A B C C B A B, right? So this will be our yeah. So this will be our longest palindromic subsequence in this string. Okay, so let's just reverse the string. Okay, so I just reverse the string. Let's just write A C B C B A B B. Now, if I ask you what will be the longest palindromic subsequence in it, so if you can observe, if you if you write its longest palindromic subsequence, it will be B A B C B A B. So you can see this longest palindromic subsequence and this one, those are same. So both of the subsequences are same, and these two strings are nothing but the reverse of each other. So this is like our LCS. In LCS, we find the longest common subsequences in two strings, and we have this string and we have this string, and we have this as our LCS. Okay, and as these strings, as these both strings are reverse of each other, so this longest palindrome, sorry, so this LCS bound to be our longest palindromic subsequence because these both strings are reverse of each other, right? I hope you can understand. So, okay, so what we will do in this question, we take this string S, we reverse it, and we get another reverse string, and we pass this string and that reverse string to the LCS, and that will find our longest palindromic subsequence, and that will be our answer. Okay, so for Uh, for saving our time, I already implemented our LCS, so I just copy paste it. Wait a minute. So here I just copy paste it. Control C here. So as you know already what we do in LCS. Okay, so as you know what we do in LCS, and if you don't know what we do in LCS, So okay, so in case you don't know how to implement LCS, you can check the video in the description. And let's just code this. So we have our string s, and as I already said, that we just reverse the string and we compare that reverse string and this original string into LCS, and we find our longest common subsequence. That will be our answer as longest polynomial subsequence. So just reverse the string as, okay, just make a string as t is equal to s, and just we reverse the string, reverse t dot begin comma t dot end. Okay, so we reverse the string, and after reversing the string, we call our LCS here. So let's just call our LCS, and we pass our string s and t. That will give our, this function will give us the longest common subsequence. And we know if these two strings are reverse of each other, then longest common subsequence will be our longest palindromic subsequence. Okay, so this will give us an integer value, that will be the length of longest common subsequences. And we also need to find the length of longest palindromic subsequence, so we just return it here. Okay, so I hope this is done here, and let's just try to run it. Run. Okay, it's accepted. Let's just try to submit it. Got submitted. So thank you guys for being patient, and yeah.